Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Airtable for project management. We'll dive into their core functionalities, explore their unique strengths, and ultimately help you determine which platform best suits your team's needs. This comparison will cover everything from flexible workspaces to structured data management, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of each tool's capabilities. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to make an informed decision for your next project. Notion shines as an all-in-one workspace, offering unparalleled flexibility for project management. Its highly customizable databases allow you to build virtually any workflow, from simple task lists to complex content calendars. You can integrate documentation, wikis, and notes directly alongside your projects, creating a centralized knowledge hub. With hundreds of community-made templates available, getting started is incredibly easy, making it ideal for teams prioritizing adaptability and comprehensive information management. Airtable excels with its powerful, spreadsheet-like database interface, perfect for structured project data. It offers over 50 distinct field types, enabling rich data organization and visualization. Its robust automation capabilities allow you to streamline repetitive tasks, saving valuable time and reducing manual effort. Airtable integrates seamlessly with numerous other applications, making it a strong choice for teams that require extensive data manipulation, reporting, and a more rigid, yet highly functional data structure. Choosing between Notion and Airtable depends entirely on your project's specific demands. If your team values extreme flexibility, extensive documentation, and an all-encompassing workspace, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if you require a highly structured database, powerful automations, and robust integrations for data-intensive projects, Airtable will serve you better. Consider your team's size, technical comfort, and the complexity of your data to make the most informed decision for successful project management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.